That's incoming. Why in protocol? Why in SSS?
That is protocol.
Exit now.
The national anthem. Your Excellency, Nyesom, former governor of River State, and other.
I really appreciate being here, and this is probably the biggest honor that would be bestowed on me, since I was born, because it's one thing to win the Grammy, and it's one thing to be applauded everywhere else in the world, and it's another thing to be loved in your own home, and that to me is worth more than anything I can get. So I appreciate you, my governor, for taking your time out to even do this, and my deputy governor and everyone in the house. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Our son, our pride.
Is in the house.
The Executive Governor of River State.
You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up.
Joy that I welcome you, our honored guests, to this homecoming reception in honor of Burna Boy. From the 14th of this month, when our son took the world by storm at the Grammy Awards, the entertainment landscape has experienced a renewed vigor. In our state, the impact of his win has been enormous, especially amongst the youth who have identified the doggedness and strength of Burna Boy as a new source of inspiration. Your Excellency, in the entertainment sector, a nomination to any honors platform is an indication that the artist has provided value through his hard work. This victory on the world stage underscores the ability of raw talent in our state. It underlines our ability to focus on our goal, our project and our identity and diversity, our quest for greatness. Burna Boy is certainly not the only talent this state has produced, but today is the first amongst them to win a Grammy. In planning this event, His Excellency Nyesom Wike, CON, GSSRS, POS Africa, Governor of Rivers State and the best governor in Nigeria, gave his full support and has stopped at nothing to ensure that this reception is a huge success. We cannot thank His Excellency enough for approving this reception to be held so as to accord our celebrant the honor he deserves. To our celebrant, I urge you to always remember that Rivers State is your home. Always find time to identify with the development here. Come home to join in the task of grooming young talents in the industry. Port Harcourt needs your music academy from where we can raise the Burna Boys of tomorrow. We need your music label to promote our indigenous brand and create a unique identity for our arts. We salute other sons and daughters of this state that are making us proud, both nationally and internationally, to assure you that our sector in Rivers State is the next entertainment business hub in the country. As a government, we are lucky to have a governor who prioritizes systematic development in the culture and tourism sector. In the last few months, His Excellency has commenced the rehabilitation of facilities in the sector, starting with the Port Harcourt Zoo. The state government has also approved a policy to guide development in the sector and directed the promulgation of law to give effect to its implementation. Government, in its wisdom, has given a facelift to the city of Port Harcourt, making it a dream tourism destination. So this is the time for our artists to come home and make the state great. I welcome you all to this event. Please relax and enjoy your evening. Thank you very much and God bless everyone.
I see you, babe. Yeah, she's not the kind of girl you see on the daily. She's beautiful, she could be your baby, no doubt. She's blessed by the Father, and I think that's why all my friends want her. Oh no, she's so fine, woman of a kind. I'd like to make her mine. My friends say don't waste your time. That girl, she's not your kind. But I know this love that I bring is so true. Yeah, so true, so true.
By chance be the next governor of this state, I could just call my boys, Ace, go and scatter Governor Wike's project. If they say, why, Your Excellency, I say, so that I can have something to do. Because hey, no, it don't finish everything now. Your Excellency, if you watch football, you get what that they call loan. And if you loan player from Chelsea to Arsenal to assist Arsenal for a particular period. After the loan, at the end of the loan, the player will come back to Chelsea, which is his original club. Now Nigeria has all they gather. Your Excellency, they won't loan you. As a governor, you go Delta State to work 3 months. Come back, go Edo State to work 3 months. It gets some states, they need to sign you permanently. Example of such state now. Your Excellency, you see here the state where they talk, they go sign you there 8 years. You need to go on a permanent deal there 8 years. Some governors, the way they check to another, you then move. Eh? Once you don't wear that jeans like this, you have his cap, very fit. I couldn't want. Well, I know it's how they talk. Now they come tell me say, make I go gym, make I register for Charles. They say I should go and register with Charles to do it.
Respect, my brother, respect. Are you ready for me? This life, that's Are you ready for me? Listen. Oh, we're chilling. Maseba seba himanu okesele mwe. Makoma mini manu asusu remember. I want to catch a fish. Show me how to fish. Don't give me the fish. Show me how to fish. Don't give me the fish. Show me how to fish. Don't give me the fish. I want to catch a fish. Wait. I want the people of Riverside to know that the youths, don't stop giving them money. Teach them how to make this money. Teach them how to grow so they can establish themselves and stop following people about. Thank you. That's my message. We can call on Jamaica. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, you can tell me too. I shall know. There is nothing you cannot do. Believe in you. I'm saying you got it wrong, I saw you got it there wrong, no. But one thing I know, all things are possible for you.
Birthday with me, so he is Charles Jr., Vitamin C Jr., and now because Burna Boy's parents supported him, me too, I am here to support this boy to become who he will want to be. Please, boy, look at His Excellency, look at Daddy, he's there, look at him. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, permit me and my son to invite Arinze Baba.
Dressed like this before. As Burna Boy don't win Grammy. I don't radio. I don't wear boot, wear cap, wear glasses, wear earring. Burna beg, find PD the number, give me. You know they had me. Not be so. Your Excellency. Because Mommy, good evening. Burna! How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Burna, don't worry, you're not going to see wahala. For this business. You know how many years without the hustle? When make I come on and they see my face well, I don't know who wants to sponsor me. I have come to realize that for you to be successful in life, you must have a G in your career. I'll tell you why. First and foremost, you need a G, God. You need another G, grace. Then when you become great, it's another G. When you become great, you need a governor, G. To be hosted by the government, G. Even Burna Boy G there in name. When he look at his son name now waiting. Ogulu, G there. Then when you want to relax, you need girls, G. When you need security, you need G, gone. That is all. Then you need to come from a garden city, G. To win a Grammy, G. And to be in the global waiting, G. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Burna Boy. We're not a joke for this business. Oh. I have been traveling all my life, Your Excellency. Since what they fly, I never pissed for plane before. I'm a local deal boy. First day when I enter plane, I look everywhere. Everything I press a button. I say, now wow. Maybe person not go press the one we plane go take crash. I carry my urine from Nigeria to London, 6 hours, 40 minutes. As I dey fly come back, the same thing. Last week, I dey fly from Abuja, they come Port Harcourt. I say, never. I go peace. Anything will happen, may happen. Once I land Port Harcourt, my brothers will help me. If they want beat me, they go protect me. I peace, oh. I don't flush her. I go sit down. One old man, apparently from Imo State, the man got to ease himself. And you know, say Igbo people, anywhere where they go, whether you they speak Igbo, you know they speak Igbo, they'll speak Igbo for you. As I basically go sit down, now the man go meet air hostess. Onye your mama. Now the air hostess say, I don't know. He said, who peace? Now he points me, now he come meet me. Get your mama. I'm going to flush her. I move, reach there. Find the thing I don't see him. I come back, I sit on the post. Now the man come meet me. I'm going to can't now. I'm going to move. Now I don't want to embarrass him because I'm an elderly person. So I escorted him. Immediately we got to, I know say plane, they know the right term, convenience, now lavatory. As we reach the front of the lavatory, now I come begin to talk to him. He says, sir, you're embarrassing me. If you notice very well, when I entered this plane, people were snapping pictures. That is to show you that I'm a celebrity. You want to put me on Instablog? And I the man laugh. They're going to know here. Come on, I flush this thing. Now I go tell the man, say, what's there? That you want to ease yourself, and I've already eased myself. Why not flush? Then you ease yourself. Now the man laugh. Oh, lo. Do I know where to flush it and I'm disturbing you? Come, let two of us go and look for it. Don't you believe me? Like I don't say wahala don't they? Now be everybody when they inside this hall be a jebota. Some of us nakba. What are you saying? When I know say wahala don't they? The wedding I emceed last week. You see that buffet? Not be everybody sabi wetin be buffet. One woman just go buffet, collect fufu, collect salad. Come sit down, they complain say the soup sour. Another say na salad cream in the chop. Then the one which shocked me. How many of you have been in the internet before Burna Boy came and took over the internet? There was a man, or there is a man that is giving us serious problem in the internet. How many of you know that man? He's not a preacher of love. He's a war. He's a fight. He's in Taboski. When I shock, that man, they get courage. Speak English when not correct. The man look one woman. He said, is your husband here? The woman said, yes. He said, brought him out. The man shocked me recently. The man said, I have powers that I have not used before. Powers like can't do sir. Powers like Intaboski Pahose. Powers like Suprila Mande. When he shocked me, that when he look one person say, A1 big Wolonios. Ladies and gentlemen, I said, they call it GSSRS, POS Africa, CON, now I add my own. The interior decorator one of Nigeria. The man don't decorate everywhere. As I reach Garrison here, I show, okay, Levi, they walk. Levi, you are a walker. You are a walkist. Ladies and gentlemen, I said this and I leave. Do you know that there is a young man in Abuja? I brought him for my show. The man, they do like the president. And as they do like the president, I couldn't notice everybody they like him. I mean, of that guy, Tagwai. They play like president, everybody come they like him. All those there people come they like him, they bless him. Now I go ask myself, how can I be called the son of the governor? And I'm not going to do like the governor. So that everybody will like me, bless me. So I've decided to be behaving like the governor. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I leave, you know, the governor is the only governor in Nigeria. If he makes speech, he must carry you along, true or false. If governor won't make speech, for instance, if Burna Boy dey here now, I say come out, then put that in greetings, wait to go here. As the people of Rivers State have gathered to love Burna Boy, we are here to celebrate him and we'll continue to celebrate him. And when we continue to celebrate him, he will continue to make us and as he continue to make us proud, we will continue to support Thank you very much. I raise my voice, man. God bless.
Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Which will be this? School? Are you guys students? You follow come? Your Excellency, I'm very loyal, sir. Happy to wait for now. Olua. I'm going to stop this business. So they perform for you now. Try. Me don't create. Your Excellency, this life not in there. You see that like, come on, get up and greet me. You're my younger brother. Stand up. Greet me. Oluwabana. Che, oh, I'm proud to be a Port Harcourt boy. They're mad. Grammy boy. Who be you? Now, there's a local government that has changed their status because of this young man. This is a typical example of he who has a talent. The talent of a man will bring him before not mean men. Oh, cho, 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 cho. That is a Grammy local government area. Your Excellency. So every other local government chairman respect Ochocho people. I hold that. But about you, self now, wow, try to add your language for your musical. Let us speak only Yoruba. If you call, we'll beat you. Add your language. Because Port Harcourt here was strong. You don't believe? Without you now. Now what for you? Not believe us. Port Harcourt, where two boys stand and slap person. Bah! What do you do me? Now they mad. Where your shadow, they malingering my shadow for this. Your Excellency, never take it home. They run. Now joke I do, sir. Carry God beg. I beg governor, I beg. May my career no die from you. Why boy here? I get one honorable. They want to put Inyami. But Port Harcourt strong go. Where is she? I know sick. He said, where the one waiting for the carton? Gentlemen of the press, we will always talk about helping talents. Your Excellency, you see I'm saying, this show, they no put gate fee. But to get the IV, you see how people, they pursue the IV for this. They pursue like MTN SIM card. How can I get, as a guy, I said, don't be my show. My friend, how can you tell me that your name is there? I say, so what? And for just know, entertainment get power. They make us celebrate entertainers, encourage us, so that more people go live street. And then they talk to government people, or just they talk to normal people. May no come to say, look at this boy, he's coming to advise me. No. Yes, opposite, I want to take us, they travel, landlord, travel and see. If you be landlord, you must see how. Then now they take us, they travel. Take your time, landlord, take your time. Oh yeah. As you see me like this, I don't get papa, I don't get mama. Now travel like this, you too travel and see. They see me like vulture, wearing don't be town. Bring your keys, so call to. Che, now they pay my rent, yo. I know they find trouble. I they respect myself. I not be evil. I not be.
Before they do a moko for the matter, Opulo just a holler, say the rumor don't the yakpa. Abobide Malabala. Boss. What? Original. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. They put myself in. I beg you, make you use your mama. Before they send up on the video, but they put myself in order. Before they do one more for the matter. Opulo just say, I don't send the rumor that they have. I'm a big bala. Opulo try so go rough. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. What? Angry for them killing, but I'm backing about. What? Body deep, body money they do I'm like now. They cooking. Work pass to each other. So fine. It's something now. It's something now.
I see it's the walking. The issues are real, keep coming down.
You say? This kind of sweet of paradise. And we are must paradise. If you put hand of paradise.
Come on, make some noise if you're having a good time tonight.
This is history in the making. Duncan Mighty and Burna Boy hugging each other. Isn't this love?
It is beautiful to watch.
Hey,
ladies and gentlemen, we're taking this a step further.
Are you ready?
Because we have liberation. We were commoners in Lagos, so when we get the industry now. About the common, the Chris, boss, the man. Stop on very, you know, a Niger Delta man is a proud man. You never get away. So let's take it to church now. Put your hands up, everybody, if you believe in God. If you know you believe in God, if you know that this year will be your year, 1, 2. Your hands like this.
to love me, so I trust him.
Right.
All life, every day, my dream is to my life is so special. Up to it. I don't get anybody to love me, so
I don't have anybody, man. Nobody. Go let go.
all my life, every day, my dream
I don't think anything positive. Stupid. Oluwabona right now, you done the flex. My boy doing good. Stupid. Template. If you look at the template of our governor, you know why we are this way. If the Burna Boy has done this, Timaya has done it, or with the crazy. Life was not good from us here. When I went to Lagos that time, they called me Timaya. Timaya, don't shout. Why they call me like that now? What's happened? Now where we come from? We are aggressive people. We don't mean harm, but if you try us, you will never get away. Abi? So, congratulations, bro. Thank you so much.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the MC has already said it. We are the high point of the reception tonight. The investiture of the celebrant. For those who might not know, the River State Honors Law number 2 of 2017 empowers the governor of the state to recognize and honor deserving Rivers indigents whose individual attainments projected the image of the state nationally and internationally. The governor can also honor any other person or organization for exceptional achievements or service that has brought honor, glory, or pride to the state or the nation. Tonight, we'll be honoring one deserving individual, one of our own, one who has brought immense pride to Nigeria and the African continent, one of the biggest Afrobeat stars in the entertainment industry. This Nigerian, as has already been said, won the Best Global Music Album category at the 2021 Grammy Awards event. He is from Rivers State, and his full names are Damini Ogulu, more popularly known as Burna Boy. Burna Boy, we congratulate you. Ladies and gentlemen, may I at this point call or invite Dr. Shedrack Akaloku to come and deliver a brief citation on Celebrant before His Excellency will kindly, His Excellency is here with his dear wife, will kindly come and complete the investiture ceremony. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, Nyesom, Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Service Star of Rivers State, Power of Force Africa, and Governor of Rivers State, please permit me to observe the rest of the protocol as already established. The events of today remind us of the sublime value of the eternal words of the famous fabular, master of wits and wisdom, Oscar Wilde, on his first time of arrival in the United States. May I please invite to the stage, while this citation is being read, the celebrant, the honoree, our own pride of River State, Burna Boy.
DJ Chingy.
Thank you very much. You deserve a round of applause. Burna Boy won this award before the entire world. Oscar Wilde said, when I had to fill in the immigration form, I gave my age as 19 and my profession as genius. I added that I had nothing to declare except my talent. Burna Boy is God's talent. Our man of the moment in the center of the global music clear light as celebrated performing artist, our own Burna Boy is simply a genius. Full of talent, singer, composer, songwriter, vocalist, winner of the 63rd Nobel Prize equivalent in the entertainment world, 5 Grammy Award. He is a proud son of Obama, Ogulu, Harcourt West local government area of Rivers State. Born Damini Ogulu, July 2, 1991, and known professionally as Burna Boy. He's a Nigerian singer, rapper, and songwriter. His parents are Mr. Samuel Ogulu and Mrs. Bosede Ogulu. He is the first and only son. His other siblings are Ronami Ogulu, who also doubles as Burna Boy's creative director and stylish, and the multifaceted Nisi Ogulu, mechanical engineer, creative artist, instrumentalist, songwriter, musician, and entrepreneur. Burna Boy attended Montessori International Nursery and Primary School, King Perekule Street, GRA, Port Harcourt, for his nursery and primary education from 1993 to 2003, before attending Corona Secondary School, Akbara, Lagos, Nigeria, from 2003 to 2009. Upon graduation, he proceeded to the University of Sussex in the United Kingdom from 2009 to 2011, and later University of Oxford Brookes in 2011. Our golden boy has produced numerous mixtapes and albums from 2011 to date. Aristocrat Records launched him into limelight with his first studio album titled Life, the acronym meaning Living an Impact for Eternity, which on August 31st of that same year peaked at number 7 on Billboard. He later founded Spaceship Entertainment in 2015, from where he released his second studio album on a spaceship. With all these successes came international American record giant Atlantic Records, who signed Burna in 2017. Then came the release of 3 of the most successful albums by an African artist, namely Outside in 2017, African Giant 2019, which was nominated for Best World Music Album at the 62nd Annual Grammy Awards, and the Grammy-winning album Wike and Storm. He is currently signed to the Warner Music Group, Atlantic Records, Spaceship Entertainment, and Bad Habits. Prior to the Grammy Award, he received 19 outstanding international and local iconic awards, including MTV Europe Music Award for Best African Art 2019, the Hades Award for Artist of the Year 2019, BET Award for Best International Act 2019, BET Award for Best International Act 2020, MTV Africa Music Award for Video of the Year 2014, Run My Race, the Future Awards Africa Prize for Music 2020, the Hades Award for Best Collaboration 2019, Killing Them, MTV Africa Music Award for Best Collaboration 2015, All Eyes on Me, Edison Jazz World Award 2020, Africa Giant, the Future Awards Africa Prize for Young Person of the Year, the Hades Award for Song of the Year 2019, Ye, Album of the Year, the 2019 All Africa Music Awards, Afrima Awards for Best Music Male Artist West Africa 2019, Afrima Awards for Artist of the Year 2019.
Baba, you go tire, we plenty you.
Hold it. Just one more minute. One more minute. The best is yet to come. Afrima Awards for Best Collaboration and Cross Boundaries 2020, Jerusalem. That was a remix. Viewers' Choice at the 2020 Sound City LVB Awards on the low. Song of the Year at the 2020 Sound City LVB Awards Festival, Killing Them. African Artist of the Year at the Vodafone Ghana Music Festival. And today, the ultimate prize of global music artistry performance. Grammy Awards for Best Global Music Album 2020. Wike and Storm. In recognition of these outstanding laurels of honor and prestige, proudly acquired by an illustrious son and brother, I have the singular privilege to respectfully invite the Chief Promoter of Sports and Youth Capacity Motivation, His Excellency Nyesom, Wike, CON, GSSRS, POS Africa, Governor of Rivers State, upon the recommendation of the State's Honors Advisory Committee to confer upon this reigning conqueror of the music world, Burna Boy. No. Before all you present, Your Excellency, you have the singular privilege and honor to pronounce the particular honor that is going to be bestowed on our golden boy, Burna Boy. Congratulations, beloved brother. Congratulations. His Excellency
and ladies, it's one of the happiest days in my life. You may not understand. So many factors come into play. At least, as a governor, while in the office, God is a full of mercy, has made it possible that during my time, during my time, Rivers State produced the Grammy Award as far as music is concerned in the entire world. Also remember that it was Rivers State that also produced the most beautiful girl in the world, Damini. So it's not the first time Rivers State have been blessed with talents and beauty. Again, as God may have it, my wife is from Harcourt West. And that's where Damini Ogulu comes from, alias Burna Boy. So those of you, don't be jealous. It's not my fault. It's by the grace of God. But what is key is to let us to know that Rivers State has a lot of potentials. Niger Delta has a lot of potentials. And when you have an opportunity like this, you must thank God Almighty for what He has done for the people of Rivers State and the people of Niger Delta and Nigeria in general. Today, I've come and I've listened to a lot of our artists. Some of you just come for fun purpose. Some of you just come for relaxation. Let me come out and relax. But you may not understand the import of all the artists, what they sing or what they say. One of the young artists that came out, he said, "Don't give me fish. Teach me how to fish." Some of you are singing, you are clapping hands. You may not understand how many of you would want us not to give you the fish, but to teach you how to fish. Listen, it's easy to say, to raise your hands. How many of you are patient? Take for example, most of you come to politics because you think that as you come today, you make money today. How many of you want to be patient? To learn the rudiments, to learn how to be patient in life, to make it. It's very difficult to learn how to fish. For you to learn how to fish, you must be patient enough. There will be challenges, there will be tribulations. But when you are committed, when you have passion, at the end of the day, you will achieve it. So when the young man was singing, I hear he's an Equatorial man, that's not my business. My business is what is the import. What's the purpose of his music? He said, "Don't give me fish. Teach me how to fish." If you listen to the rhythm, you will be dancing and dancing. No. And let me tell you, young man, I'm so proud of you for your philosophy to say, "Don't give me fish. Teach me how to fish." Today, I will not give you fish. I will teach you how to fish. I hear some of you, you are happy when they say Burna Boy. Who is he? Who is he? How did he start? How did he start? You have people like host and listen. You are happy. Grammy Award. Is it easy? Is it overnight? Some people say there are some Nigerians outside the country. The one I recognize is Nigeria inside here. It's the only Nigerian, as far as I'm concerned, that have won this award. Some people say, oh, you are Nigerian, British, Nigerian. This is Nigerian. And not only that, they are River State. Not only River State from Ahuda West. I'm very happy. So, we are happy, everybody is now rejoicing. Action. Timaya Hasangia, Duncan Mati. It was emotional. Very emotional. See how they hug themselves. They knew themselves. And they're happy where today God has brought him. Timaya said, we used to be in Lagos. And nobody gave them the opportunity. But see where God has brought them today. Those of you who will not do well are those who will make noise. No, listen, I have the grace of God. As the governor, listen, you may not understand. I'm the governor of this state. Anything I say will come to pass. So, if you are not happy because it is my time that we won this award, go and sleep. I am very, very happy. So you can go and hang yourself in the transformer. You know, all the time that the persons who want to be governor, we have not won it before. Now that I'm here, I've won it. So, please, don't kill yourself. God has blessed me. That it is in my time that I have won this award. And I will do what is required by a governor to encourage him and his parents and to encourage all our artists to know that the time has come when we must look inward, when we must come home. All of you, you go to Abuja, you go to Lagos, you go to... Home is home. Who would have believed in this world that I would have West man, boy, will win Grammy Award? Who would have believed it? Would have never believed it in this world? So you should know that this is God's own state. We have made Nigeria proud in all occasions. And what we are going to do here tonight, you know that this state belongs to all of us. I'm here to support anybody who wants to excel. But I'm not here to promote those who will just come out and begin to clap hands. Burna Boy, you have done well. I must say you have done well. And so look at the crowd. Even though some people came here to do one bad thing or the other. Don't worry, you know, I know the system. But let me tell you, I'm prepared. So, I know the system. I'm not a newcomer in this game. So, but everybody that has come here today, be it our local artists or international, we must give you the necessary support. We must. And that is to encourage you to say, at the end of the day, what River State government would do for our son who has made us proud. You need another flyover? You need another flyover? I hereby give you another flyover. So, listen. What we are going to do today, no artist has ever received that. What we are going to do here tonight, no artist in Nigeria. And we want to challenge anybody. I'm so proud of Rivers State. I'm so emotional about Rivers State. And I can do anything for Rivers people. But before I go to him, where is the Timaya? Is another Delta song. Where is he? Where is he? Where is Dr. Mighty? Are they here? Let them come. Now let me tell you why I'm doing this. The people of Niger Delta must be encouraged. The people of River State must be encouraged. All of us are from Niger Delta. And so whatever affects us, affects all of them. All of you lovers of us, of the Niger Delta, you are also part of us. But I want to show to them that what Burna Boy is today, they all contributed to it. They all supported him. They all prayed for him. And so he's there. We are going to bestow on our son the second highest award in the state as recognized by law. We are awarding him DSSRS. Some of you don't even know what it is, what I claim hand for. I thought you should have waited to hear the meaning of it. That is the honor the Deputy Governor is being bestowed on. The Single Service Star of Rivers State. And then we'll present the medal to him and the certificate. But above all, most of you, when you travel, you forget your state. You cannot forget your state. You come back home. The Rivers State government will provide a land of OGRA for Burna Boy. Hold on. Some of you don't even know where OGRA is. You think OGRA is in this area you are? OGRA is where government house is. Not only are we going to provide that, we're going to give you money to build for yourself. Now, the unfortunate thing is that he's not married yet. So please, don't go and rush him now. 27 years. So we are going to do that for him. Let others also be encouraged that if you go to this level, Rivers State government will promote you. And so we're happy with you, we're happy with your parents of what they have done. I'm so glad, so fulfilled that at your age, you have made Rivers State proud. You have made Rivers State proud. And that is to encourage all of you that have all the opportunities in life. You have all the opportunities. You can be a governor tomorrow if you want to be a governor. It can be anything. So nobody should say that you cannot be anything because you are constrained. No. Do the best you can. Have a passion in whatever you are doing. One day, God will crown it all. So, Burna Boy, your parents, I'm so happy. I'm so proud. On behalf of my wife will present you the certificate, and the Deputy Governor will present you the medal for what you have done for Rivers State. I didn't want any state to come and steal you from us. So many states are waiting, but to the glory of God, we are here tonight. I'm very proud of you. You've made us happy, and God will continue to bless you. Now, for all the other artists who perform tonight, I don't know what you may have agreed with. I will not give you flowers again. Listen. Somebody said open industry. When you go and sing, hold on. When you go and play for federal government, tell them to allow River State to give all the incentives for us to open. But by the end of this month, we are going to open the cassava processing plant. We will be the first state that will produce cassava flour. So it is not. I don't want to. I'm not coming here today for politics. When the time for politics comes, of course, you know I'm equal to the tax. Nobody can challenge us in this state. So,
nobody getting moral like Wike.
So don't be worried whether those of you who came here or not. I know you like Burna Boy. You may not like me, don't worry. When the time comes, we meet. Because you know at the end of the day, I will defeat them. So those of you who have come to play, whatever you have agreed with the Ministry of Culture and Tourism is not my business. But all of you that have come today, the Rivers people, and the Niger that have come to play today, to show the talent you have, I'm very proud of you. All of you will go home with 10 million naira each. Hold on. Please, I didn't say. Hezekiah, please, all of them, all. Tell them you came to Port Harcourt. Just what I said. Tell them you came to Port Harcourt. Let me tell you, if we have money, our money must go to encourage our people. Do you understand me? So, but all I advise you come back home, show your talent, encourage the young ones, the boys and the girls, encourage them. That will be a blessing to all of us. So all of you who don't know how to do comedy, learn how to do comedy today. All of you who don't know how to sing, go and meet Burna Boy and the rest. Or even if anyhow, can. Help me, even if I get $2 million to help me. So I'm very proud of all of you for what you have done in supporting our son and the parents. But what I would say, please don't abandon your state. Don't abandon your state. Anytime you are called upon, no matter how busy you are, remember your home. Remember your state, remember your home. Look at where you are coming from. Look at your parents, what they have suffered. Please, now that God has brought you to this level, do not abandon them. Do not abandon our state. If you abandon our state, I will talk. But you know I will talk. So, I thank you. And let me invite my dear wife to present the certificate first to you. And then the Deputy Governor will present the medal of Distinguished Service Star of Rivers State.
So I'll start by saying failure to Burna success. Dami, I'm really proud of you. Nigeria is proud of you. And everyone in Nigeria and Nigeria itself, we're all laying a claim to your success and to you, especially Rivers State, but even more especially Harcourt West local government area. Oh, cho, 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 cho. Oje! Hey! So on behalf of Rivers State, and especially from the governor of Rivers State, with love, much, much love. He's so proud of you. You are such an inspiration to every one of us. Please accept this certificate. Damini Ogulu, you are given the honor of Distinguished Service Star of Rivers State. Congratulations.
Man, this is the highest honor I've ever dreamt of in my life. You understand? I've been everywhere in the world. I don't collect honor everywhere for the world, but you see, it hits different when you get it from home. You understand? So this is my most humblest moment, if that's even fucking English. This is my most humblest moment, and I thank each and every one of you. I thank the best governor I've ever experienced, because when I know say me, I don't even like politics or politicians. You understand? But this my governor here has shown me that there is hope for the future, there is hope for the youth, and there is hope for us. You don't understand? So this awards, everything we are collecting today, not be just for me. Not for you, not for you, not for you, and all of you will be the next Burna Boys today or tomorrow. You don't understand? I love you, Port Harcourt, and anything I am, anywhere I go, I carry you with me. You don't understand? I will tell you my guy, you know my style, you know big jazz. If you say you get the mind, then you wanna try, you go to die. Even the landslide for a long time, but then no one believe. All of when I come back, change you one try. Who bad enough, who do it like me? They couldn't phone my cellular way. Your back and your spine, I got to go break if you carry my weight. Governor, God bless you. God bless you, our wife, our mother. God bless you, Mama.